people, let's go on site inspection to igbariam estate phase 1 and 2. So here is building materials in Onitsha. This road leads to our estate igbariam phase 1 and 2, and here is igbariam junction, just 2 minutes drive to Anambra State University. And here is our wonderful estate, igbariam estate phase 1. You can see it's in a built-up environment. Over there is about 320 capacity hostels for students, and right beside me is the one source nursing school, and over there is the secondary school. So my smart people, here is a good vibe. This place is 100% dry land, instant allocation. A plot is currently selling for promo price of 6 million naira. Yes, you heard me right, 6 million naira. This is our beautiful hostel, and over there is the police station. So you can see that this environment is secure. Here the title is registered survey and deed of assignment. So my smart people, buying land is good, but buying land in a place where you are sure of high returns on your investment is better. Call the number you see on your screen. Bye.